I want to tell you that if you think that human being can help you, you want to run to human being up and down, they will fail you. They can open hand at first, but by the time you go, they will say, "Are you the only one that has problem?" Curse you. Sometimes at your back, they laugh at you. Sometimes at your back, how long do you want to continue to do this? How long do you want to sit at the mercy of someone or having food to eat food on your table before because of the mercy of someone? No, you don't need to. All what you just need to do is to listen to what I'm talking about, and I want you to focus on it. Now, this is it. Get this and point it on your head 7 times, as I've said. Hold it in your hand and share your problem. Whatever you are passing through, say it. And you will say, God Almighty that created the seashell, that created the ocean, that created everything inside the earth. I want to make something clear to you. Being a pastor or being the child of God doesn't stop you from doing this work as a water child. Some people are going to church, and before you know it, being a child of God, or probably they call them Jesus baby, or they know that all power belongs to Jesus, which you know, that doesn't stop you from the source that you come from. Because some of you are having a dream, you're having a lot of encounter that you can't share with anyone. Some of you, your dreams, you don't understand it. Some of you don't understand where this trouble and this problem is coming from. I know you are a child of God, truly, and you have religion, and you believe Jesus, and you believe God, but that doesn't stop you from knowing where you come from. That means from knowing your main source, where you come from. These people, they are still coming, want to connect with you in one way or the other, and they actually cause this affliction, this problem that you are passing through. Though you have gone through several deliverance, some have prayed, some have visited pastors, some just look at their problem and say, "This problem, please, I think you should just still wait. I think you can continue like that with me," because they have already tried and they can no longer waste their money any longer to call priests, to call pastors, to call prophet, to call imam, to call afa and tell them what they are passing through. Whatever, whatsoever that you are passing through, you have to just do it and try it. I'm not saying you should bring $1 or bring $1 for you to get this information as a water child. Now, I'm directing this as to water child because I know what I'm talking about. I want you to get something called Seashell. You can see this one. This is a Seashell. You can see. Go to the sea and get the Seashell. Or probably if you have it or you have a neighbor that have it, you can just get, or go to the market where they are selling things and just get one Seashell. Now, this one Seashell will work what I want to talk about. I'm telling you, look at the topic of this. As I use this Seashell, and I'm going to we are going to follow the direction I'm going to tell you. Use to solve some of the problems that you are passing through. What you just need to do in the Seashell, please, I want you to stick back to the end of this video. It's going to be short, and you are going to get what I am going to direct you to know. Your own is that you get your information directly from God. Not if you run to anybody for divine help, but this one will help you. Now, as a water child, and also if you are not a water child, you can do this. This is free. This is free for everyone. You can do this, you can use it. Now, take this as you take it to your head like this. Are you seeing? 7 times. Let it touch your head. 1, 2, 3. Let it be 7 times. After being 7 times, remove it again and speak whatever you want God to do for you. Maybe probably there's a situation that is battering you. Maybe there is a debt that you are really facing, and people have been accusing you that you are owing them money without paying, and you are looking for funds. You have looked for the right to the left, and there is nobody that wants to help you. Nobody. All areas blocked. Or probably you have been passing through financial problem and you don't know how to go about it. You have not seen the helper that will connect to you, or you are still roaming on the same spot and you don't know what to do. What I'm telling you using this Seashell is very important, and I want you to do it. How you have faith. Your own is that anything that we talk about on this channel, we believe that people always have testimony, and what makes them to have testimony is the faith that they have in the living God that created the heaven and earth and put this seashore by the side of the river, by the side of the ocean. So I am not lying to you. And I'm not saying that if you use this is now your solution. No, it will give you the direction on what to do once you listen to the direction. Now, as a Christian, or you are not a Christian, and you want to be free from all these problems that encompass you, some are still bedwetting. I really want to know what is the problem. Who are those behind my calamity? Who are those behind my problem? Who are those that are hiding in the secret place and throwing arrow to my life, to my family, to my future, to my destiny? Who are those that are stopping my business? Who are those that are stopping my profit? Who are those things? What is the power that is consuming all what I'm supposed to be saving? Some don't have savings. They try their best to save their money. They try. But all what's always coming to them are problems that they cannot even imagine. They don't know how to solve it. They don't know how to run. I want to tell you that if you think that human being can help you, you want to run to human being up and down, they will fail you. They can open hand at first, but by the time you go, they will say, "Are you the only one that has problem?" Curse you. Sometimes at your back, they laugh at you. Sometimes at your back, how long do you want to continue to do this? How long do you want to sit at the mercy of someone or having food, to eat food on your table because of the mercy of someone. No, you don't need to. All what you just need to do is to listen to what I'm talking about, and I want you to focus on it. Now, this is it. Get this and point it on your head 7 times. I've said, hold it in your hand and share your problem. Whatever you are passing through, say it. And you will say, God Almighty that created the seashell, that created the ocean, that created everything inside the earth. I am praying that way should open for me. How to solve this problem? I want to see it. Immediately I want to sleep tonight. I want everything to be revealed to me. The solution to be revealed to me. And I want solution all the days of my life. I don't want suffering. I don't want to have any problem. Is anyone behind my calamity? Is anyone behind my problem? Is anyone behind my stagnancy in life? I don't want me to move forward. I want you to be revealed to me. Now put it like this, face down like this. You know, this is the inside. You can see this is the inside. You don't focus on this, you focus on this. You have to put it like this, as if you are covering it. Put it under your pillow at night and put your head on the pillow. Now, this is a warning. Don't let your head leave that pillow. Except you want to go away at midnight. Maybe probably you want to go to the toilet. Just time to go to the toilet and come back. So tossing around and you make your head leave the pillow, and before you know, you now adjust. If you are the type that always move around on the bed up and down, I don't think you can do this work accurately. But if you are the one that is disciplined, you want really to know what is happening to you. One pillow is okay. Put your head on that one pillow. You can be tossing to the left, tossing to the right. Just make sure that anytime you are turning your head, is always on that same pillow, and you will receive the real picture of what you need to receive. And I want to tell you that if you have received it, if you have finished receiving it, please chat me up, because some of them you might not be able to understand the meaning and the interpretation. Please chat me. I will tell you the direction of what to do. And I want you to know that to solve people's problem is what I am for. And God has given us the power to do it. And we have not received the spirit of bondage again to fear. So don't fear any evil. Whatever you see in the dream, don't let anything threaten you. Don't let any power threaten you. Your own is that go to the sea and get this seashell. If the sea is far away from you, go to the market where the spiritual things. Get one. It is very cheap. Get one and use it. And I want you to know that as soon as you finish it, you will see deliverance. Just chat me up if you have any issue on that. And for those people that have not gotten how I said that you are going to have the water appeasement and you want to do water appeasement gently, if you want to do the water appeasement normally, even right from your bedroom without traveling from one place to another because of security or because of some of the 419s and those people that are over there, or those people that can adopt you in kidnapping and begin to ask for ransom, please chat me up. I will tell you the precept. I will tell you the steps to take in doing this thing right in your bedroom. And if you are passing through water spirit, if water spirit is affecting you, maybe you have already wronged someone so dear to them and they are affecting your business, they are affecting your life, causing delay to your family and your future, please try to chat me. Or if you have a spiritual husband, or probably you're having a spiritual wife and you don't know how to break forth, or they are already affecting your business, affecting your life too and your future, please don't keep quiet. Anytime you keep quiet, you think that everything is over, you can't do this again. But I want you to know that God is on the throne. God is still setting things. God is still giving people happiness. God is still giving people testimony. Your own will never be difficult for God to do. He is never a God that lies. Neither the Son of Man that he should repent. Whatever he says, he will do. He will surely do it, because with him, all things are possible. Thank you. Stay blessed. I love you all. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Bye for now.